Welcome to Heart TV. This is the introduction on a series on how to film a dialogue, an interview, a talk show, a group discussion, however you want to call it. We try to make a course so it can be useful to someone who is totally new to this type of video production. We hope it gives you insight to what is needed and what it takes to start. At the same time, we think that experienced people will also benefit from this series. Maybe it will inspire you to reevaluate your own productions in the past or to try out new ways. New techniques offer us new possibilities. We can upload our programs to the internet. We can stream our programs to the internet so it can be watched live. Instead of streaming to the internet, we can stream our programs in real time to a TV station or to a satellite channel, so that we have live programs where people can respond live on air. Experience tells us that this greatly changes the effectiveness of our programs. There is Skype TV. We can film a discussion with people who are on the other side of the world using Skype. With new techniques, the Skype connection can be rock solid. Using 4K resolutions now allows us to get 4 different shots out of one camera in real time. Within certain limitations, we can even use iPhones in multi-camera productions and use an iPad for directing. All exciting new possibilities that new techniques is offering us. But before we get carried away, let's start with the basics. How it's done, what are the options and what is needed. In part 1 we will cover our number one enemy. When do we use a discussion? And when do we use straightforward teaching to bring our point across? Do we need a studio or not? In part 2 we talk about professional standards. How many cameras do we need? In part 3 we talk about film language. Which shots communicate what? How can we emphasize what is said with our shots? And the do's and don'ts in our programs. In part 4 we will cover the line of action and basic camera positions. We will practice directing, cutting between shots, applying what we have learned about film language. In part 5 we continue on camera positions, but this time using 3 cameras. Doing interviews with 1 camera and filming dialogue in film productions. Part 6 is about tips and tricks on how to improve your programs, some ideas on how to get more variety, and the use of Skype and 4K as well as green screen in our productions. And we will also talk about the 2 ways to record, how to handle time during recording, and what equipment do I need for different production methods. I hope you enjoy this series and I hope this is useful to you. So let's get started.